And where you live and what happened to your house in this area.
The storm hit me. I live on D Road 3232, and the storm come up and just leaves the breeze around my house, and it didn't break a one.
Were you inside the house during that
Yes,
time?
sir. I was inside my house.
I'm sure that had to be one very scary. And then once the storm had passed, when you came outside, what was your first thought?
Lucky. God moved me.
Yes, sir.
God moved me.
Now you all, I see there's several houses down here. Were there a number of houses in this community?
Yes, sir. The next door neighbor house, he took the roof right off my house. The next door neighbor, 20 feet off my house and all, and thank God it didn't do nothing to mine. I didn't get a one of them.
What would you like to say to the people outside of this community that don't realize, what it's like to go through something like this?
I tell you, it's great love. We never experienced this. I tell you, just keep praying and ask God for good luck and safe. Be safe.
All right. Thank you, sir. I certainly appreciate your time, and we continue to pray for you in this community.